If you care about maintaining healthy skin and supporting your overall wellness naturally, please watch this carefully. Today, we are talking about a fruit that is both vibrant and widely enjoyed around the world. Mango. Often appreciated for its sweetness and rich flavor. But mango offers much more than taste alone. Mango is naturally rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that plays an important role in supporting the body's normal immune function. Vitamin C also contributes to the production of collagen. Collagen is a structural protein that supports skin elasticity and overall skin appearance. Maintaining healthy collagen levels is part of supporting long-term skin health. Another important component of mango is beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a natural antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports normal vision, particularly in low-light conditions, and contributes to maintaining healthy skin. Mango also contains other antioxidants, which help protect cells from oxidative stress over time. Cellular protection is an important part of maintaining balance in the body. In addition, mango provides dietary fiber. Fiber supports digestive balance and contributes to a more stable internal environment. Mango also contains small amounts of potassium, which plays a role in fluid balance and normal muscle function. The combination of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber makes mango a well-rounded fruit. The key is moderation. Because mango is naturally sweet, it is best enjoyed in balanced portions. Fresh mango slices, smoothies, or adding mango to salads are simple ways to include it in your routine. Mango is not a miracle cure. It does not replace medical care. Its strength lies in consistency. Including it regularly as part of a balanced diet can contribute to skin support, vision support, and overall nutritional balance. Sometimes, the most colorful fruits offer the most refreshing support. If you found this explanation helpful, and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.